Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Good morning children, this is our second day of chapter 5, in multiplication. In your previous class you read about how we multiply and what is multiplication, and also read about properties of multiplication. We all know multiplication is the repetition of addition. When we repeat the digit more than 1 times, 2 times, here we repeat 2 in 3 times, we get 6, and when we multiply 2 into 3 we get 6. In your previous class we did about how we multiply between digits or numbers. In this class you have to read about your exercise 5th A, and there are many types of questions in your exercise. Here is your type 1 question: multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number without carrying. You have to multiply 40 by 2. This is the multiplication of without carrying 0 for ones and 4 for tens. We have to multiply. When we multiply 0 into 2, we get 0. This is the multiplicative property of 0. And when we multiply 4 into 2, we get 8. Let's see another example. Here is ones and tens. Here is 2 and here is 3. We have to multiply it. 2 into 2, we get 4. And 3 into 2, we get 6. This is our multiplication without carrying. And your type 2 question is, you have to multiply with carrying. Your next question, 46 into 2. You have to multiply it with carrying. You have to write it here in this way: ones and tens, 6 for ones and 4 for tens. You have to multiply it by 2. When we multiply 6 into 2, we get 12. 12, 2 for ones and 1 for tens. We have to write here, when we write 2 for ones and 1 for tens, ones is written here and tens will be our carry. Ones, 2 is our ones and 1 will be our carry. 4 into 2, we get 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Another example, 95 into 2, ones and tens. When we multiply 5 into 2, we get 10, 0 for ones and this 1 for tens. Ones is written here and tens will be our carry. So 0 is written here and 1 is our carry. When we multiply 9 into 2, we get 18 plus 1 equal to 19. This is our multiplication with the help of carry. And your type 3rd question, multiplication of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. You have to multiply it ones, tens and 100. 133 into 2. You have to multiply it. 3 into 2 we get 6. 3 into 2 we get 6. 1 into 2 we get 2. This is our multiplication of 3-digit number. Let's see another example. 2, 2, 2, 3. You have to multiply it. 2 into 3 we get 6. 2 into 3 we get 6. 2 into 3 we get 6. This is our multiplication of 3-digit number without carrying. When we have to multiply it with the help of carrying, see another example. 143 equal to into 4. 4 into 3 we get 12. 1 will be our carry. 4 into 4 16 plus 1 17 and 1 will be our carry. 4 plus 1 5. 4 into 1 we get 4 and this carry will be added in 4, so we get 5. This is our multiplication with carrying. And this is your last type questions in your exercise 5th A. Here is some brainstorming questions. First question, Pinky has 25 packets of a chocolates with 3 in each packet. Find the total number of chocolates. You have to find out the total number of chocolates. यानी पिंकी के पास 25 पैकेट है चॉकलेट के और हर एक पैकेट में 3 चॉकलेट्स है, तो टोटल कितने चॉकलेट्स हुए? तो we have to find the total number of chocolates. you have to multiply between these two numbers. There is 25 packets, ones and tens, 5 for ones and 2 for tens, and in each packet there is 3 chocolates. So you have to multiply it. 5 into 3 we get 15, carry 1. 3 into 2 we get 6 plus 1 7, 75. So the total number of chocolates equal to 75. एक पैकेट में 3 थे तो 25 पैकेट में कितने चॉकलेट्स हुए? तो 75. एंड योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन ए स्कूल देयर आर 3 सेक्शंस. किसी स्कूल में 3 सेक्शंस है. ईच ऑफ 42 स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 2. क्लास 2 का 3 सेक्शन है और उस सेक्शंस में कितने बच्चे हैं? 42. If all the students of class 2 went on a trip with the school, find the number of students who went there. यानी क्लास 1, क्लास 2 का 3 सेक्शन है, सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी और सेक्शन सी. एक सेक्शन में 42 है और क्लास 2 का पूरा सेक्शन टूर पे गया है. तो देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु वेंट द टूर. सेक्शन 1 में 42 है एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द 3 सेक्शंस number of students all of 3 sections. Then you have to multiply ones, tens, 2, 4 and there is 3 sections. You have to multiply by 3. 3 into 2 we get 6 and 4 into 3 we get 12. So total number of students who went there is 126 and this is all your exercise.
Thanks for watching this video.